This is the elevator at the Woodspring Suites in Tampa, Florida. Tampa North, that is. Let's go to 4. As you can see, it's the location on Morris Bridge Road. This elevator, it's only one elevator for the whole building. It seems to get busy at times, so we're just gonna take one ride. And someone may even get on with us on the way down, so let's see. Yeah, actually I think we're just gonna get out here on 2. There's a look at the hotel corridor. Here's your map. And there's your intermediate call station. So yeah, again, as you can see, there's 2 stairwells, but only one elevator right above where that red dot is. And let's go 1. Also, just a heads up, this elevator is restricted to those staying within the hotel because in order to get past the lobby, you need a key card. You'll see, like, there's the lobby. These doors are key card off. Anyway, that'll be it.